Okay, I know. I had to get out of the house. I was going nuts. Anyway, it's Saturday the 6th of February, 2010. Sounds like a science fiction movie. Anyway, once again, we're snowed in here at Quantico. Third big hit for the winter so far. This one I think is a little worse than the first one we had down to around the 20th of December. I think there's 18 or 19 inches on this ground right now. They're expecting another 8 to 10 before it all ends. And I couldn't believe what the Weather Channel was saying, that Baltimore had like 27 to 30 inches of snow and 6 more on the way. 95 shut down. Amtrak is shut down. Airports are shut down. So basically, folks, you're screwed. Might as well open up a can of Chef Boyardee ravioli and watch the snow just get deeper and deeper. 'Cause you ain't going nowhere. Who knows when this base is going to reopen? Probably Tuesday or Wednesday. And sounds like my plans for the Super Bowl party are completely screwed. 'Cause there ain't going to be nobody to be able to get to my house. So anyway, this is what it's like in Quantico. Everything is shut down. Everything's closed. And Amtrak or a freight train ain't been through the train station here in probably 6 hours. Ain't nothing. Everything is basically, they're not letting anything go north or south. So we stuck. Alright. I'm loving it. I don't care if I don't go to work for another week.